When you walk to a store, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky, and that's where